Hi, you're not seeing double. I'm here to show you in the Cultivate Ebru lab, show you how to do this Ebru design, which by the way is a Turkish, very old paper marbling or paper painting a custom. There's a whole bunch of stuff you're going to need. It's not complicated and it's a lot of fun. It's very similar to tie-dye. You don't know how it's going to come out, but anything that comes out will come out beautiful. You're going to have a bucket with carrageenan water, which is a size made out of seaweed. It makes the water a little bit thicker and allows the paint to sit on top. You will also have a sheet of paper that has been treated with alum. When you touch it, you can feel it almost feels like it has powder on it. You can grab as many regular copy papers as you want. They're not treated with alum, but we've realized in our lab that they work just as good. You also have a whole bunch of tools that you can use or not use. That's entirely up to you. We have a variety of combs in different sizes. We also have homemade combs, sticks, and by the way, you will be doing either with pipettes or with the bottles. Couple of things. Some paints go really far, others not so much. If you want to use black, you want to start with the darker colors first and then work your way to the lighter colors. You always want to shake your paints. If you find that your paints sink, that means that the material inside needs to be shook up. The minerals need to be shook up. So what good practice would be to shake up your paints before you use them. You just put your finger on it, shake it up, and you're ready to use. I am going to use black, so that's the first one I'm going to do. Work quickly, but apply gently. And you'll see that the paint will spread over the carrageenan and lay the first tone of color. Let me see. I want to now use the white. The white has a, if you hear, it has a ball which makes the materials work a little bit, shake a little bit better. So now the white is moving and is starting to pop open. Okay, I am now want to get some of this pink. Again, I am shaking it up. What else do I want to use? Oh, I want to use my blue. Notice how the yellow or green has gone quite far. And then my final color I want to use is the orange. Notice I shook the paint each time I used it. Okay, I'm going to now take my stick. This is going to be a free flow design. At the end, I'm going to work really quickly. I'm going to add my green, and I'm going to take my carrageenan paper, lay it on top, set it, pull it up, let the carrageenan fall, turn it over, woo, and then you put it on in the water to kind of clear it out. Okay, now this is the fun part. You can take a copy paper and you can actually pull a couple of other designs, and it's just the remainder of the paint that's sitting, that is sitting on top of the carrageenan water. This one, you want to give it a good swirl, but the copy paper, please take it out, immediately put it on your newspaper and take it outside because it will deteriorate in the water. Show you a real quick design that you can use using these tools. I'm going to work really, really quickly so you can have time to get this done. Okay, again, shake your paints. Okay, so for the paper marbling, you're going to work your stick back and forth like so, and then you're going to comb it in the same direction so you get the marbling design. You can even go and do it the opposite direction. Yes. And now I'm going to lay my paper. Pull it. Ooh. Gotta love it. So now I'm gonna clean it.
Whee! Magic. And she's going for more.
And that's a take. And that's about it. Just please have fun. Just like tie-dye, you never know what you're gonna get. And enjoy.